Hello and welcome to Let's Learn English. In this lesson, you will learn the idiom, hold your horses. This idiom is said to tell someone to wait a moment, slow down, or be patient. People also say, hold the horses. Examples: please hold your horses while you drive through this neighborhood. There are many children playing outside. I think we should hold our horses before buying this car. Let's wait a few days and then make a decision. I just told him to hold his horses for a few minutes while I got things ready. Hold your horses. Let me finish my coffee before we leave. Hold your horses. Let's double check the numbers before sending the reports. Hold your horses. Let me finish explaining first. Everyone was ready to blame him, but the manager said to hold their horses. Hold your horses, cowboy. One thing at a time. If you have any other examples, write them in the comments below. See you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching.